Welcome to ELEATION. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your very first C program, step by step. Whether you're completely new to programming or looking to refresh your skills, this guide will help you get started quickly. And if you're serious about learning C programming and landing a job or internship, ELEATION's C training program is here for you. Stick around, and I'll tell you more about how you can join with an exclusive discount. C programming is one of the most popular and widely used programming languages in the world. It's known for its efficiency, flexibility, and speed, making it a great choice for software development, embedded systems, and much more. Whether you want to develop applications or get into systems programming, C is a great foundation. Let's start by setting up your environment. To write and run C programs, you need a code editor and a compiler. I recommend downloading code blocks or Visual Studio Code, both of which are user-friendly. Once installed, we'll be ready to start coding. Now that your environment is ready, it's time to write your first C program. We'll start with the classic, Hello, World, program. Open your code editor and type the following code. This simple program will display, Hello, World, on your screen. Don't worry if it seems unfamiliar, it will all make sense as you continue learning. Now that we've written the code, let's run it. In Visual Studio Code, simply click on the Run button. You'll see the words, Hello, World, displayed in the console. Congratulations, you've just written and executed your first C program. Great job, you've just completed your first C program. But this is only the beginning. If you want to dive deeper into C programming and build real-world projects, then ELEATION's C training program is perfect for you. Not only will you learn everything you need to become a proficient C programmer, but you'll also get hands-on experience through an internship project. And here's the best part: if you register now, you can join for just ₹1,000. That's a huge discount from the original price of ₹2,499. Use the QR code on the screen to register now and get started on your journey to becoming a C programming expert. At ELEATION, we provide lifetime access to our C training program, real-world projects, and guaranteed internship opportunities. Plus, you'll receive a training certificate and a letter of recommendation. Everything you need to boost your resume and get ahead in your career. This is not just another online course. This is your path to success in the IT industry. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest tutorials and updates. And remember, the path to becoming a C programming expert starts with a single step. Take that step with ELEATION today.